The focus of this one is going to be this Hotel Familia Feliz. It's also on Travessa de Praia Grande, so I'll tell you about those, both of those things. I'll tell you more about the street in a minute. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, that's our focus of that one right there. Before we go down, this is Grande Praia. So a long time ago, this would have been kind of the big beach road, which would have been where everything was would have come up to the ocean at. So, but now all this stuff is still old Macau, and then all this is reclaimed land that was put soil into the earth and created these casinos over here, like Grand Lisboa and things like that. So this Travessa de Praia Grande is basically like a little street off of Grand Praia, big beach road. So, okay. There's a military club is down that way. You can't really see it very well. And it looks like that building is being completely redone. It's cool. It's all kind of gold now. Before it was wasn't like that anyways. Okay, let's go down our street, our focus street here. Atlantis Crystal. It's been closed for a while. I've never seen crystal there before. So this is our focus, this Hotel Familia. So it's a nice building. I don't know a lot about these, but I know there's a bunch of them. There's like about maybe 8 or 9 of them. They're all scattered around, called they all kind of similar names, and they're all kind of like this gold and brown and gold colors, brown and yellow, brown and gold. And the rooms are probably about that size. I don't know if that's 4 rooms there or if those are 2 rooms. I kind of think they could be 4 rooms maybe? I don't know. Not 100% sure. There's 4 air conditioners. I'm gonna guess there are 4 rooms. 4 any air conditioner for each room, I guess. And it's kind of, it looks like there's a nice lobby in there. It's kind of a rainy day. I want to run across, but we have to deal with the rain a little bit. And you can see the lobby. Looks nice in there. Little restaurant called Millennium. And then you can kind of overlook, it's like an abandoned building right there. It's a little bar inside. Okay. So we're going to come back out. We're also focusing on the street too, so a lot of rain. Let's go back, look at our Target building right there again. And I guess what we'll do is maybe try to come out on this side. Another abandoned building? Yeah. Huh, there's like a couple of abandoned buildings on this road. The Familia looks great. Okay, so we're gonna come out to the other end of this road and we'll show you this other kind of main street. It's called Rua do Pedro José Lobo. It also has black and white tiles too. So now we're out on the main street. So now you can see, I think this is actually Grande Praia. Travessa de, anyways, that's Travessa de Praia Grande. I also think this is Grande Praia as well. So that one might have a different name, I'm not sure. That street could have a different name down there. Anyways, this is definitely Travessa de Praia Grande, and this is definitely where it comes out to. And it's kind of all these nice buildings, like that one is beautiful. That green one down there is beautiful too. So anyways, that's a little bit more of Macau for you. So you get to see that pension house, hotel kind of thing, as well as on the main street. It's I think it's kind of a pension house. I think it's like small rooms, low price, but nice Macau kind of theme place. Okay, let's end it right there. On this car, with the car coming out. Okay.